Peyton.
Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Made out.
Oh, careful. Give Peyton kisses.
What do you have to say to Peyton? Talk to her.
Hello, Megan. Hello, Megan.
Oh, she's
Oh.
cute.
That was nice, huh? Were you a nice boy? Colton, were you nice?
Because the robot is too dumb.
What happened, Colton? Have you been playing games?
Yeah.
You did? What game did you play?
Hello.
Did you play Lucky Ducks? And you threw them all? Yeah. Did you get a haircut?
Grandma,
Be soft.
when I put another blue on there, it looks like they're all connected together.
Oh, goodness. Did you get a haircut? Tell Grandma about your haircut.
Haircut.
You did? What?
Papa, haircut.
You got a haircut? Who cut it?
Pecan, haircut. Pecan, haircut.
Oh, really?
Who cut your hair?
Come on.
Do you look handsome?
Yeah.
You do?
Are you Mama?
Oh, she's trying to put up the thing.
Papa, do you know what this is?
Guitar. It's a broken guitar.
We have to get you on.
That's because it's a Lego guitar.
What do you got to say for yourself?
I just built a Lego guitar. But I'm gonna make something else.
Okay.
Don't spoil it.
Don't spoil it?
Don't spoil it.
You mean don't stop it?
Don't look at it for a while.
Okay. Say goodbye.
Goodbye. You can